Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Cash App to Crypto.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Tap the banking tab, which looks like a house icon. Scroll down and select Bitcoin from the options. Once on the Bitcoin page, tap on the Enable Withdrawals button. Read through the information provided about Bitcoin withdrawals. Tap Get Started to proceed with the setup. You may need to verify your identity with the app. Follow the prompts to provide any required identification. After verification, go back to the Bitcoin page. Tap on the Withdraw Bitcoin option. You will now need your Bitcoin address from Crypto.com. Open the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. Log into your account or create a new account if necessary. Navigate to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the Wallet option from the menu. Find Bitcoin in the list of available cryptocurrency. Tap on Bitcoin to access its detailed page. Choose the Receive option to get your Bitcoin address. Copy the Bitcoin address provided on the screen. Return to the Cash App. Paste the Bitcoin address into the field for withdrawals. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Double-check the amount and address for accuracy. Hit the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. Confirm the transaction details and press Confirm. You may need to wait for the transaction to process. Monitor both apps for confirmation of the transfer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.